YakBack.
Hi, welcome to YakBack. Look at my shark. He's hungry. He likes to eat fish. The shark wants to eat some of our fish. What's on the back of this fish? We found a pup. It's a dog. Sometimes we call a dog a pup. A pup. We found a pup. And then the shark can eat the fish. Sharks like to eat fish. Which fish will shark eat next? Let's see what's on this fish. We found some peas. We found peas. Peas. Peas, please. Peas. The shark likes to eat his peas with his fish. Next fish. Let's see what's behind this fish. We found a pig. A pig. A pig. Pig. We found a pig. Okay. Oh, what's behind this fish? We found some popsicles. Popsicles. The shark likes to eat popsicles. I like to eat popsicles. One last fish. It had some pie. Do you like to eat pie? The shark likes to eat pie. Look at all the things the shark ate. Some pie and some popsicles. And we found a pup and some peas and a pig. Pie. Popsicles. A pup, a puppy, and some peas. Bye-bye.
YakBack.